Hello, welcome to Asian Games Frontline. I'm Wei Xiao. From 15th January, we'll bring you our build-up to Hangzhou Asian Games with in-depth coverages, interviews, highlights, and interesting stories behind the stage. In today's edition, we're going to meet the mascots of Hangzhou Asian Games, named Memories of Jiangnan.
Animals, imaginary creatures, and human beings all have been mascots for sporting events. They appear as still and moving images, cuddly toys, and life-size figures to delight sporting fans from all walks of life.
我心目中亚运会的吉祥物应该是小海燕，是一只大象，是一只小兔子，是一个机器人。
The Chinese city of Hangzhou won the right to host a one-time sporting event that will be the third Asian Games to be held in China.
Hangzhou and the city of the 2022 Asian Games.
Powerful mascot ideas for the 2022 Asian Games have poured in from designers around the world. The organizing committee has presented the lucky winner with a prize of 120,000 yuan. But above all, the designer has been expected to meet strict conditions.
怎么样把智能的这个符号、印记跟我们吉祥物融合在一起？
Like other sports mascots, the chosen ones are meant to evoke the spirit of the games and the host country, but also connect children with the sports. That's why, as the chosen designers need to give it everything they've got. So who are the lucky winners?
They say face is your fortune. It's your trademark and the front you present to the world, just like the mascots for major sporting events like the Asian Games. And no one is more aware of this than the artist Zhang Wen.
Being both young lecturers of the China Academy of Art, Zhang Wen and his wife Yang Yiho met each other back at university, and it's love at first sight that brought them together. With a strong love for Hangzhou and for the Games, they have led the team to co-design the winning mascots, three sporty robots, also known as the Memories of Jiangnan. The mascots named Cong Cong, Cheng Cheng, and Lian Lian are designed to symbolize three of Hangzhou's World Heritage listed sites. Cong Cong symbolizes the ancient city of Liangzhu, a site that proves 5,000 years of continuous civilization in the region. The Cong was a jade artifact which survives as a quintessential relic unearthed from the ruins northwest of Hangzhou. It takes the yellow color of earth and bumper harvest as the main tone. Cheng Cheng has been chosen to pay tribute to China's Grand Canal that connects Hangzhou to Beijing. It takes its name from the Gongchen Bridge, a landmark crossing of the Great Waterway. Lian Lian represents Hangzhou's West Lake, perhaps the city's most famous attraction, and is named after the expanse of floating lotus leaves, which have the significance in Chinese culture of purity and peace.
I see different versions of the mascots on the wall. How many times have they been revised?
我们一共经历了6次的一个大修改，20多次的小修改。
这是我们吉祥物的初稿。那么像这个连链，它的变化是最大的。刚开始呈现的是一种花红柳绿的这么一个状态，但是到最后呢，3个都以机器人的属性呈现，它其实有原因的。把这个杭州当下所发生的所有的一切的这种科技的力量，把它凸显出来。
You two have been called the mother and father for the mascots of the Asian Games. And for decades, the mascots for the Asian Games have been jolly animals with links to the host country. But your mascots designs are actually 3 children.
这个是我们其实在深化过程中想不断去挖掘他们。就像我们培养自己小孩子一样，希望不断的把他的优点放大，然后在过程中吸收更多的能量，渐渐就回到了我们设计的一个初心。对于吉祥物来说，我们希望他们能够成为真正的所谓的亚裔文化遗产。
People may have different points of view when they see the mascots, but they are likely to embrace their backstory, which is also formation of Chinese cultural identity, home. Here I am, stepping out on the journey of exploring where Zhang Wen grew up and find out why every one of us actually contributes to the design of the mascots.
At last, let's watch a promotional video for Asian Games Hangzhou 2022.
杭州，一座坐拥3大世界文化遗产的城市。浙江，一片热情友好、充满活力的热土。在中国政府全力支持、亚奥理事会细心指导下，杭州亚运会筹办工作进展顺利，体育亚运、城市亚运、品牌亚运齐头并进。袁家军书记用英文向亚洲和世界发出热诚邀请。代表团团长大会顺利召开，40个竞赛项目设置完善，参赛预报名取得满堂红。杭州及宁波、温州、湖州、绍兴、金华57个竞赛场馆即将完工，亚运村建设全面收官。测试赛顺利开展，场馆化运行迈出关键步伐，运动员积极备战。视觉形象体系加快建设，景观总规落地实施，综合服务保障加速推进，亚运城市行动全面推进，地铁、快速路加速贯通，无障碍设施更加便利，公共体育设施优化升级，市场开发成果丰硕，亚运红利充分释放。智能亚运一站通迭代更新，彰显全球数字变革高地最新成果。国际文明礼仪大赛完美收官，志愿者全球招募启动，全省迎亚运讲文明树新风活动全面铺开，形象宣传片亮相央视，亚运走时程全国关注，城市趣味跑顺利推进。丰富多彩的文体活动燃动全国全亚洲参与热情，13家官方融媒矩阵齐发力，驻华使节纷纷关注点赞，国际影响力进一步提升。壮阔前江潮，奋进新时代，让我们共同期盼亚运圣火在之江大地激情点燃的